Big day today, boys. My first time riding a Harley and my first ride on an electric bike. So the first electric bike I'm ever riding is a Harley LimeWire. I've heard awesome reviews about this motorcycle and I'm absolutely thrilled to, take this beast out and ride it. Big shout out to Mississauga Harley Davidson, Jonathan here. He's the one who helped me, to test ride this beautiful bike. So without any further ado, let's ride the beast. Very tiny. When you sit on it, you feel like it's very, very tiny. And all you need to do is just press this button here. Hold that, yeah. Hold that. The bars turn green here, I believe. And that is a sign that we are all good. So trying to figure out. Wow, feels tiny. I'm in the sports mode. First ride on an electric bike. Is this the future? Not sure. Jonathan is riding there the LimeWire. We're all good, thank you. Here are two of my friends, Z and Omar. Let's go, guys. Oh boy, this thing is fast. Wow. It's like the Tesla of motorcycles. Super nice and light. Very easy to maneuver. Yeah. Boy, that feels good. This thing is fast. I'm still trying to figure out where the... Okay, so that looks like that's a left. And that's a right turn signal. Okay, so left and right turn signals are on left and right handlebar, which is new to me. I've never done that before. Wow. This sound... I'm honestly enjoying it. Oh boy, this thing is fast. Whoa. Super fast. Rides like a bullet. Wow, man. Woohoo! What a fun bike. The throttle response is just absolutely amazing. Very, very nice. Very quick. Wow. Can't believe that this is all what it is for an electric bike. Absolutely cannot believe it. Can you imagine this is the future of riding motorcycles? I can totally see that after riding this. Yes, you don't get that exhaust note if you're missing that, but this is a fun bike. Very quick, very responsive. Probably more and more charging stations are, going to come around. And once we get more charging stations, this is where we see ourselves. God, this is amazing. I cannot believe it. I don't know. Am I sold? I think I am a little bit. This thing is very nice. It's showing me I have 89% of battery left with 150 kilometers to go. That's a lot of good range. This is absolutely the Tesla of motorcycles. Like, can you believe it? It's wow. I just keep saying, can you believe it? Because I can't believe myself how good this bike is. It's so much fun. Great for city riding, I'm sure. Great for city riding, great for everything else. Definitely not for touring, but city ride, and like the power that it's delivering, wow, that's super fast, super fast. Whoa. Jonathan, this is amazing.
Fun, eh?
It's so much fun.
You want to try this?
That one?
Yeah. We'll go up here, we'll switch them up.
Okay.
We'll go through the lights, and then we'll just pull up to the side and see.
Or maybe when we go back. I'm not comfortable on that one. Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah, but you can. But you gotta try this.
I will.
This is so much fun. So much fun.
If I get divorced because of it, you're paying for my...
It's like Tesla on 2 wheels.
This one's shit on the middle of the road. See that? So I'll go ahead, we'll just simplify it because I don't know what to do.
If I were to buy one, maybe that's the orange one I would go for. I'm in general a very, someone who likes all those bright colors. So definitely the orange one is the one that I'll be going for if I were to choose one. But yeah, I think we're gonna stop here, switch the bike. Jonathan, this is very nice.
Yeah, isn't it cool? Did you crack it? Did you hit it?
I did. It's super fast.
Crazy.
It's and it's so tiny. You can just get off like this. So cars, I gotta be careful. But look at this tiny little beast. You're gonna love it, man. You're gonna love it. That road where we started from is the one we can go back, and it's a wide road to ride on.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's so weird. It's so tricky. You have to have the phone.
Z's riding the golden one now. Yeah. He's taking that one. Golden orange. Sorry, I keep saying golden. It's an orange color. It's another Harley. Omar, you're good? How are you finding it? It's nice? So see it. Alright, kickstand up. Press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds. And the beast is ready. So this is my sort of, suggestion to everyone watching my channel is go out, go to your local Harley dealership and test ride this bike. You will love it. It's you are basically testing what the future in the motorcycle looks like. Not today, not tomorrow, but it's coming. It's coming soon. We are heading there. The technology has gone so much better, and I feel it after riding today this slime wire, that we are very close to, the future is this. This is the future. Yes, we hate it. We'll say, yeah, we're not doing blah blah blah, but over the years, like the gas stations, the the charging stations are going to increase as well, and this is where we are heading. This is the future, boys. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts below. I know you'll hate it. You'll hate it. There's no exhaust note. You'll say, yeah, it's not the same feeling of how you're riding a motorcycle. But this thing has changed my thoughts. Like I said before, this is Tesla on 2 wheels. Absolutely very nice, powerful, so it gives you the power you need, very comfortable, and definitely something to look forward to. This is the future, my friends. I'm still 88% on the battery, 147 kilometers. I think the last time I told you I was 151, so not bad. Great for city riding. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be as pumped as me, you know, you need to be going out there and test riding this beast. This is an absolutely beautiful electric bike, which is the Harley LimeWire. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button again and like to my channel. I'm so pumped I don't even know what I'm saying. Did I just say like to my channel? Which is not supposed to like the... Whoa, look how fast it is. Till next time, ride safe people. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.